Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing from beadboxbargains.com. They had a warehouse moving sale, so of course everything was 40% off. Of course, I jumped on it. So I hadn't bought from them in a while, so I thought, hey, what the heck? Okay, so usually they send a free gift. Here's their information, and this one looks like just two like stone beads. I'm not quite sure what these are. Interesting. All right, let's see what I got. I know I've bought these before, but I really liked them the last time, so I just bought them again. They're so vibrant. These are matte green with, actually, I know I bought the purple ones, but I don't know if I have this one now that I'm thinking about it. Matte green with like a purpley iridescent wash in the eyes and nose and mouth. So cute. Ooh. Got these because I've been trying to get more orange check beads. They're just orange with like a copper wash on them. Pretty cool color. This is lamport glass, not pressed glass or check glass, but I thought it was so cool. I wanted to use this as a button on a bracelet. So I only got one because I figured I would just, do the bracelet itself. I don't think I'm going to make a necklace that will match or anything. But yeah, I thought that would be fun to use as a button. Gorgeous. I think I got it in a couple other colors too. That's really pretty. What are these? Oh, these are like red camellia flowers with a really hot, like purpley pink wash. These are awesome. Now the question is, do I put them in with red beads or purple beads or pink beads? Okay, so I got towards the end of this video and I realized I had only recorded the first 2 minutes and I want to cry, but we'll go through and look at everything again because I don't mind. I love beads. So I think I already showed you the large one of these. I got a smaller one too. I like the larger one better, and I wish I would have known that they were two different sizes because I would have just gotten the larger one. I got more camellia flowers. These are like a white with a hot pink wash. They're so gorgeous. I got a bunch of strands. So these are, I think, yeah, these are 8mm. These have like a speckled finish on them, which I hadn't really seen before. So I got them in several colors. I got the 6mm in orange and yellow. The yellow you can't really see the speckling on as much. And then like a green turquoise. And then a darker, like more hot, like electric blue. I love all these colors together. And then I got a brown, but these aren't speckled. These have like silver on them. These are so cool. And I think all of these together look like M&Ms. And then don't these camellia flowers look so wonderful next to those other bright colors? I love them. Love them so much. I got another one of those flowers. This is the smaller size in the pale pink with the silver foil on the inside. I'm loving that I'm going to be making some bracelets out of these. Some little melon drops, similar to the ones we got from Sam this month, just a different color. I think these are almost like that satin look too. They're so cool. Some beautiful crystals. I got them in this purple, green, blue color. I also got them in like a pink, orange, yellow color. Love those. They're so much fun. And then I also got the snakes again in that kind of finish. So that makes me so happy. I think I might have to make a bracelet using one of the snakes and some of these. They look so good together. I got some blue, like little daisy spacers. Really bright cobalt or electric blue. Some cute little kitty charms. I got them in this color and silver, and they're reversible and they're on a moon. So you see the back of the kitty and the front. So cute. I love those. And here's the silver. I got more of these. These were from, I think, the June box. Love those. I just love that shape. I haven't seen them elongated like that. These are some little petals, and I can't tell if it's like pink and red or white and red. I think it's really white and red, but the pink, it kind of swirled into pink a little bit. I got some little table cut dragonflies. I'm like so into the clear table cut right now because first of all, it'll go with everything, and it just looks so wonderful. I love how crystal clear that is. Look, you can see those beads right through it. It's just beautiful. I've seen it in a couple of different places. I think we got some from Sam this month, not dragonflies, but that clear. Some cute little cactus charms. Loving those. Some pressed glass roses, but they didn't say check. I don't think they're check, but they're such a pretty butter yellow. Love that. Yellow roses are so gorgeous. I also got those roses in like a red color. I don't think it's not bright red, but it's red. It's funny, I have some, oh, I dropped one. I have some acrylic beads that kind of look almost exactly like this, and they used to be the best sellers on earrings in my Etsy shop. Oh my gosh, I sold through so many of those earrings. And then we have some more Camellia Flowers in like a yellow gold wash. So they're like a citrine topazy color with a yellow gold wash on it. Some more snakes in that purple with the, I think it's a copper or rose gold wash. So cute. I know I already have these, but they were 40% off. I got another dragonfly. This one's like more of a focal. It's like an aqua with a Picasso on it. Then I got more of these like avocado shaped green table cut beads. With the Picasso on the sides because I have an idea for a necklace, and I just wanted a couple more for that necklace. Oh gosh, I just love that color. I love that table. I just like how vibrant that is. Another one of these flowers, but a bright red, and I'm thinking this will look great with turquoise. I mean, look, first of all, look how great it looks here, but these two, forget about it. Looks great. Some more of these. I honestly don't know what this shape is. I don't know if it's a leaf. I don't know if it's a flower. I don't know if it's a flower petal. I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe a leaf, but it's got like a yellowy orange with a hot pink wash. So much fun. And then a bright blue camellia flower with, well, actually it's like a translucent blue with a bright blue wash on it, which also look really good with these colors down here. And then I have a few more strands, and I think that's it. So we have some fishies. I know I have these, but they're so cute. And then we have some more shells. I say some more shells, but there haven't been any shells in this unboxing. I mean, because we just got some from Sam's Bead Box too. Loving that color combo. I don't think I have that one. It's like a pale blue with an orangey yellow and then a pinky purple wash on it. I don't remember if I bought this shape, but I can't, honestly, I think they're shells, but they could be flowers. They're so pretty. I love this purple with the purple wash. It's like purple clear with a purple wash over it. And then I got the same shape in like a black, a jet metallic with a wash on top. These are just, the colors amazing. And last but not least, I got these decorative like button shape in aqua. So yeah, super happy. That was 40% off at Bargain Bead Box. Well, Bead Box Bargains, the sister site. So my favorites, probably this big flower. these bright strands and the bright camellia flowers. Like, I'm just loving the bright colors, and of course those snakes. So anyway, stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Let me know what your favorite was, and please like, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Hello. Hi, cutie. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so cute. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl.